Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue our work and let's enjoy it. So, where are we? Let's see, lesson 27, drawing a circle with squares. I don't know exactly what you call this, but we decided to draw a kind of shape of circle with a smaller shapes of smaller shapes. Okay, so first we drew four squares lined up in a sharp circle way like this. And then we successfully increased the number from 4 to 5 and then 6. Okay, so the homework. Draw a circle with 8 triangles. Oh, this time triangle. So, okay, let's open the E3 file, which we used last time. Connect and execute the first box. Rolling all the way down. Let's see. Okay, let's see the last box. Okay, let's execute the last box to see how it was like. So, okay, good. We drew 6 squares like this. Okay, so we can maybe reuse this, and then maybe we need to add definition of triangle. Sides, just copying the strange thing. Okay, just copying the definition of square for I in range, this time 3, colon, forward size, and then left. Remember, it was 120 instead of 1990. Okay, so, and then what is with 8 triangles? So this time we want 8 instead of 6. Is this all? We start with a centerpost and then, oh yeah, right. Of course, we need to change this to triangle. Angle sizes, maybe 30 is enough. Going back to centerpost and turn left by, this time it is 8. So 360 over 8 is the angle to turn. What is it? 45 maybe? Okay, let's run it to see if it's good enough. It is good enough. Okay, we successfully drew a circle with 8 triangles. Good. Okay, so let's go on to today's lesson. Lesson 28, drawing a circle with squares, continuation. Okay, continued. Let's try some variations like center at 320, 200, 300, 200. Okay, let's see. This time we saw that the center was, remember that? Oh, let's check. Here, of course, by, okay, maybe we can, to check, right? Yeah. That's right. We don't, maybe we can use this. Here, right, T, centerpost, right? Centerpost. This will tell us the coordinate of the starting and ending point. That's 400, 250. So 300 and 200. So it should be, before doing anything, maybe going to 3, 2. Okay. I think that's good enough. Okay, maybe we can write it here to make sure that it is correct. And then, okay, let's run. I see. Maybe what we needed to do was pen up before moving to 300, 200. Okay. So, good. I guess, okay. Okay, so the center is 300, 200. And one thing we noticed here is that we can write even if the pen is up. Okay, anyway, so let's put with 12 triangles. Okay, so triangle is fine. So maybe we can change point N to 12. This is so simple. Okay, good. Okay, so what's next? Then 30. 30, really? Maybe we want to speed up. Change this to 30. And it's already 9. Okay, let's run it. 30 triangles. It's kind of overlapping with each other. So maybe you might want to change the size to 20 instead of 30. Okay, this is what possible. Okay, what's next? With hexagons and other polygons. Okay, maybe 30 is a lot. So maybe turn it back to say 10. Okay, and then hexagon. We need to, maybe we can copy this cell and paste it here. Where is it? Paste it here. And then we can, let's see, hexagon. For I in range 6 this time. And the rest is the same. But we maybe want to generalize that. そうだね。Okay. What is 360 divided by 6? Okay. We will have the sides back to 30. And let's see. Anyway, take a look. Hexagon. I don't know what's wrong. So for I, okay. And also I forgot to use hexagon instead of triangle. Okay, let's run it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hexagons. Good. And then other polygons. So maybe we can generalize this. Okay, right? So instead of writing square, triangle, hexagon, maybe we can instead define what is no, I mean polygon, which takes the number of how do you call this? Number of side number, and then size of each. Okay, so for example, it's like this. So for I in range, side number, and then T forward size, and then T left by 360 divided by side N. Sorry, side N. You know how this works? Size and size, no N. So you know how this side N works. So instead of calling hexagon, we can call polygon. 6 and 30. This will draw exactly the same thing as before, I hope. Ah, wrong. What's wrong? What's wrong? Polygon for I in range size. Okay, not sides, but side end. Okay, sorry, you're right. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, exactly the same as before. So maybe we can use maybe heptagon. If we want to write heptagons, maybe a little smaller one, and say maybe 8. Okay, let's see this. So 1 heptagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So each one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heptagon. Good. So we were able to generalize this to polygons by making a function polygon instead of these small specific definitions. So actually we can delete these. Good. Okay. What's next? Use 5 colors. Good. You know how to use 5 colors. Maybe we can copy 5 colors definition: red, blue, orange, green, pink. Okay, maybe you can copy this all the way down to the last cell. Okay, and paste it somewhere as you like. And then maybe after the point. Okay, so and then we remember that just before calling polygon, we change the color to false J this time. Okay, we're using J here, percent mark, and then len false. This, as I said, this will make it more generalized. If we change colors, we don't need to change the modulo. Okay, so let's see this. Red, blue, orange, green, pink. Okay, very beautiful. Okay, as I said, if we want to add one more color, yellow, that's also possible. Now we are using 6 colors instead of 5 colors. Okay, this is just I'm doing this because I'm just curious to use yellow here. Okay, good. So I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, right. Okay, maybe we want to make it back to triangle. Not triangle, but polygon. Yeah, right. Polygon 3. And we want to take it back to 5 colors by deleting yellow. Okay, let's take a look. So, triangle is too small. Maybe we want to change this to 30. Okay, that's all for today. Yeah, so later, please draw exactly the same as this by changing the size and also changing it back to how many. Yeah. Okay, draw with stars. This time it's not polygon, but star. We need another definition, but I'm sure it's easy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back. See you next time. Bye-bye.